Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to discuss class 5 mathematics topic pattern, and in this topic we are going to study its unit 2, and in unit 2 we are going to learn about how to play Sudoku. Let's start with the learning outcomes of this unit. At the end of this lesson you will be able to define Sudoku and solve 4 by 4 Sudoku. What is Sudoku? Sudoku is a puzzle game designed for a single player, much like a crossword puzzle. Example. This is an example of a Sudoku. Here you can see this is an example of 4 by 4 Sudoku. Here 4 rows are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 boxes are given here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is an example of 4 by 4 Sudoku. Here the number 1 till 4 are used. Another example is also 4 by 4 Sudoku. Here again 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But instead of the number here different shapes are used. So we can solve Sudoku by using different number, or we can also use shapes or the symbols. Rules for solving 4 by 4 Sudoku. When you start a game of Sudoku, some blocks will be pre-filled for you. Means some are already filled when you start playing the Sudoku. You cannot change these numbers in the course of the game. These numbers are fixed. You are not allowed to change the numbers which are already written in the Sudoku. Each column must contain all of the numbers 1 through 4, and no two numbers in the same column of a Sudoku puzzle can be the same. Each row must contain all of the numbers 1 through 4, and no two numbers in the same row of a Sudoku puzzle can be the same. Similarly, each block or box must contain all of the number 1 through 4, and no two numbers in the same block of a Sudoku puzzle can be the same. Means in each Sudoku puzzle, the numbers should be 1 till 4 in each row, column, and box, and there should not be the repetition of the number in a row, column, and a box. Solving 4 by 4 Sudoku. Right now I am going to tell you how to solve 4 by 4 Sudoku. This is an example given of 4 by 4 Sudoku. Here you can see we are having 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Some numbers are already pre-filled here. It is already written there. They are fixed. We can't change them. 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so now what we have to do? Here we have to put a number in such a way that the number 1 till 4 must come in each row, column, and box, and there should not be the repetition of any number. So let us start from the first box. Here the numbers 1, 2, 3 is written. What is missing number here? 4. So we'll write 4 over here. This is complete. Let's move toward the next box, the last one. Here again 1, 2, 3 are written. We'll write 4 here. So these two boxes are completed. Now what we have to do? We have to fill the second box and the third box. Now start solving it with row wise. We can see here in this row we are having 1 and 3. So what numbers are left here? 2 and 4. So we cannot put 2 here because in this column already 2 is here. So we can put 4 over there. So we'll put 4 over there. Now here you can see 2 numbers are written in this column, 3 and 4. So the missing number of these columns are 1 and 2. So we can put 2 over there. Now the number 1, 2, 3, 4 are present in this row. Now move toward the next row. Here the number 4 and 2 are written, and the missing numbers are 1 and 3. So can we put 1 over there? No, because 1 is already present in this column. So we can write 3 over here. Okay, so 3, 2, 4. What is the missing number here in this row? 1. 1 is left. We can put 1 over there because there is no 1 number in this column. So these 3 boxes are completed. Now we have to complete this 4th box. Let us start with the column or you can also start with the row. Okay, here you can see in this row we are having already 2 and 4. So the missing numbers are here 1 and 3. Can we put 1 over there in this box? No, because 1 is already present in this column. So we can write 3 over there and then we can write 1 over here. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, this is completed, and the last one is 1 and 3. In the last row we are having 1 and 3, so the missing numbers are 2 and 4. So can we put 2 here? No, because in this column already 2 is there, so we have to put 4 over there. Now the last number is 2. In this way we can play a Sudoku game. Now you can see that in each row we are having number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each column similarly we are having number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Similarly in each box we are having number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see here in this example the 4 by 4 Sudoku is solved and though no number is repeated in any of the column, row or the box. Can you solve the given Sudoku? Here an example is given for you. What you have to do, same procedure you have to use over there. Some numbers are pre-filled here. You have to write the remaining number in different columns, rows and boxes. Hopefully you can do it easily. Thank you and good luck.